Hello students, today we are going to do back exercise of chapter 7 weather, climate and adaptation. So first question, wind speed is measured with the help of an instrument called as anemometer. Summer sleep is called as estivation. Yukon is found in tropical rainforest. Animals living in cold region have insulating layers of fat, which is the characteristic of tropical region. That is, hot and humid climate is the characteristics of the tropical region. Next, Phillips. Dash have extremely cold climatic conditions. So extremely cold climatic conditions are present in the polar region. The scientists who measure and forecast the weather are called as meteorologists. So who sees the weather, tells about the weather forecast, they are meteorologists. Humidity is the measure of water vapor content in the air. So how much water vapor content is present in the air is called as humidity. Penguins huddle together to keep them warm. Huddled means they come close together to keep them warm. Hump of the camel is the reservoir of the fats. So hump stores the fat, whereas the water is stored in the blood of the camel. True and false. Weather changes frequently, whereas climate does not changes frequently. Yes, it is true. So climate, it does not changes frequently. The weather, it changes frequently. Humidity is the one of the element of the weather. Yes, it is true. The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the morning. No, maximum temperature occurs at the afternoon. So it is false. Climate represents to average weather pattern take over a long time. Yes, climate is the weather pattern for the long period of time. True. Animals living in the desert excrete dilute urine. No, it's false. So it excrete very less amount of urine. Next, match the following. So competition for the food is tropical rainforest. Migratory birds are Siberian crane. Elements of weather is temperature, and nautical animals are the desert animals. Name the process. Next, very short answers. Name the person who measures and forecast the weathers. They are called as meteorologist. Name the device used to measure the wind speed. Anemometer. Name the region of India whose climate is wet. That is northeastern region. Name the part of the camel which is the reservoir of fat. That is hump. Name two animals living in the tropical region. You can write the name of any two animals like monkey, snake, lion, elephant, giraffe, anything. Name a migratory bird. Migratory bird, Siberian crane is a migratory bird. Next, short answers. Name the element that describes the weather of a place. The elements that describes the weather of the place are temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind. These are the four elements which describes the weather of a place. That is temperature, humidity, wind and rainfall. What do you understand by the term climate? Climate describes the weather condition for over a long period of time. Write two adaptations that are present in desert animal. Any two adaptation we can write. First, desert animals secrete very less urine, okay, which helps to reduce the loss of water. They can drink very large amount of the water. Next, some animals come out during the night for their food. In the morning, they stay in their burrows. Any two adaptation features you can write. Indicate the type of climate of the following areas: Rajasthan and Eastern India. Rajasthan have hot and dry climate. The temperature is very hot during the summers, and during the winters the temperature becomes very less, that is very cold. Rainfall is very less in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan has a desert type of climate. Next, Eastern India. The Eastern India receives the rain for most of the years. Therefore, they have the eastern region is mostly wet. Next, long questions. How are elements adapted to the tropical climates? Elephants adapted to the tropical climate. So elephant is well known example, because in the well known example of the animals present in the tropical rainforest. It has a big trunk that has a modified upper lip and a nose. Because of the presence of the trunk, elephant have a good sense of smell. It also helps in picking up of the food. The tusk have the two modified teeth which helps in tearing the bark of the tree. Elephant has a large ears that helps to hear the soft sound and also help to radiate the heat from the body. Next, what is a weather? How it is related to climate? Weather describes the condition of the condition for during a short period of time at a particular place. The weather of the place changes day after day and week after week. It is a complex phenomena that can vary over a short period of time. Whereas climate describes weather condition for a long period of time. Every region has their own climate. Okay, weather data can be termed as the climate, particular area for a climate. Mention the adaptation of the polar bear that helps to survive the extreme cold climate. We know that polar bear have two layers, one layer of fur and one layer of fat, which acts as the insulator for the cold. From the cold, the white color fur on the polar bear helps to protect them from the predators. These polar bears are also a good swimmers. They have a wide and the large paw that helps them that helps in the swimming under the water and help to walk on the snow. They have a strong sense of smell so that they can bear and locate and catch the prey. Next, hots. Which type of adaptations are found in the human to live on land? Give any three adaptation. The adaptation of land region is removal or the shortage of the body hair, strong legs for walking, and lungs for the respiration we require. What will happen if the plants and animals do not change themselves according to the climate? If plants and animals do not change themselves according to the climate, they will not be able to survive in that climatic condition. So they have to change themselves according to the climate. So we have done the back exercise and question answers of chapter 7, weather and climate. Thank you.